Hi, ElevenMarkets.com team welcomes you to weekly Nifty and Bank Nifty technical analysis. In this video, we will discuss whatever technical trades we could have taken in Nifty and Bank Nifty during the previous week. Towards the end, we will also explore what are the technical possibilities for Nifty and Bank Nifty in the week coming ahead. We want to add that this video is made solely for the purpose of training and education. Elon Markets or anybody from the Elon Markets will not be responsible for any trading or investment loss by any entity or individual in trading or investments. We are not giving any trading or investment ideas, and we are also not suggesting any trading strategies. Trading is an inherently risky business, and we advise due diligence and taking the guidance of professional experts. So let us start. Here we can see the daily chart of Nifty. We have plotted this chart in free charting solutions of investing.com. This is a very good charting solution, and we want to thank investing.com for providing such a good real-time charting solution for free of cost to traders. Now let us look at the daily chart of Nifty. Here in this daily chart of Nifty, we have used 5, 8, 13, 34, 50, 100 and 200 DMA. We have also used the volume and the Bollinger Band. Also, you can see that below we have used the slow stochastic, the 14 period RSI, the ADX and the CCI indicator. If you don't know about these indicators, you can visit our blog section, that is blog.elonmarkets.com, and there in the technical analysis section, if you click on indicators and oscillators, you will get write-ups on various indicators. Now let us go back to the Nifty daily chart. This week Nifty opened gap up, and what we can see that during these 5 days Nifty moved steadily upwards. During the week, as the week progressed, what we can see is that the ADX came down, and that indicated the loss of momentum. Also what we can see is that the mid-Bollinger line was horizontal, so that also indicated a range bound movement. And also what I can see is that this Bollinger Band width have become very narrow, and this contraction also indicates towards a range bound and consolidating movement. Let us look at the hourly chart. In the hourly chart, what we can see is that there was a gap up opening on Monday. This was very close to the mid-Bollinger line in the daily chart. So ideally, someone could have shorted the market to close to this kind of a region, and if someone had shorted from that point in the hourly chart, we can see that he could have gained around 50 points in the short trade. And after that, as what we could see is that the trend line in the hourly chart was broken. Someone could have again gone long into the pullback, and if he had gone long, targeting again the mid-Bollinger level in the daily chart, that is this level, he could have got around 50-60 points based on his point of entry. Now what we saw is that the market was consolidating over this mid-Bollinger level in daily chart. Now what we could see in the hourly chart, that this symmetrical triangle was formed, and once the symmetrical triangle was taken out, what we could see is that there was a goodish bit of up move. So someone could have also taken this trade and booked a profit of around 50 to 60 points in Nifty. Now towards the end of the week, what we could see is that the Nifty came down and consolidated near the hourly mid-Bollinger line. If we look at the daily chart, we can see that the momentum is coming down, and all the indicators point to a range bound movement going forward. The ADX is losing momentum, and the Bollinger Band width is very short, and also the Bollinger Band is horizontal. Now at this position, what we can see in the downside, this red line, that is the 34 period moving average, provides a support, and it is situated at around 9591, and below that this 50 DMA provides a support which is close to 9524. If we look at the option table also, we can see that here you can see that 9400 put 9500 put and 9600 put all have huge open interest addition. And also you can see that 9700 call here and 9800 calls both have goodish amount of open interest build up. So what that indicates is that the next week can be reasonably range bound. If there is a breakout above this previous high or the top of the Bollinger Band in daily chart, that is 9715, market can see up move. On the downside, if this 50-day EMA is broken, market may get support around 9300 or below the 100-day EMA we can find at 9281. So this is the support level once 9533 is broken, but such a big move is unlikely given the momentum indicators. So this is all about Nifty. Now let us look at the Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty traded with a slight upward bias during the week, but as the week progressed, like Nifty, it also lost momentum, which is indicated by the losing momentum of the ADX index, and also what we can see that the Bollinger Band has become horizontal and it has contracted in width. Now let us look at the hourly chart. What we can see is that the Bank Nifty was actually moving steadily upwards during the later part of the week. What happened during last week is that the Bank Nifty took support near the 50 period moving average, and as the time progressed during this week, it actually went up and after that it came down. But some way the Bank Nifty was broadly range bound and it actually underperformed the Nifty, because what we can see in the Nifty chart is that Nifty is close to its all-time high, but what we can see from the Bank Nifty is that it is almost 4 to 450 points away from the highest point it reached during the 22nd June. Now what is also important is that if we go to the daily chart, what we will see that presently the Bank Nifty is placed below the mid Bollinger line in the daily chart, while the Nifty is placed above the mid Bollinger line. So all in all, comparing Nifty and Bank Nifty, we can see that Bank Nifty is little bit underperforming the Nifty, and taking account all the indicators also point out to a more of a range bound movement. The Bollinger Band width is very low, ADX is losing momentum. If there is a break below this 50 DMA, which is presently again placed at 23,132 approximately, the Bank Nifty can move to 22,114, which is again the 100 DMA. On the upside, again, if there is a break above this level, there can be a sharp up move if it comes with momentum. This is all about Nifty and Bank Nifty for this week. Thank you for watching the video. Come back for the next week for the next edition of Nifty and Bank Nifty technical analysis. Wish you a very good weekend and a very good trading week next week. Thank you.